this video, I'm going to show you an easy method to sell Clickbank products, and it's all for free. So you're going to want to stick around and see this whole method, and I'm going to get you started on that right now. Welcome back to the video, guys. My name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time here to my videos or to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, reach down there below right now, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, okay? Alright, also for those that are new to my videos, what we do here is affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos, how-to videos, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video as well. Okay. Also, like I said in the intro there, we're going to show you today a easy method to make money selling Clickbank products, and it's all 100% free, and all you need is an internet connection and a computer, and you're ready to go. Alright, so with all that said and out of the way, let's go ahead and get in on this and get started today. So what you're going to do, of course, first is we're going to come over to Clickbank, right? And you just come to Clickbank and you log into your account. If you don't have an account, it's easy enough to create one. It's free. Just come to clickbank.com and click on Create Account and sign up, get your account. Then you want to come to Marketplace up here. You see it says Marketplace. You click on Marketplace and it gives you all these categories right here. Anyways, when you come to categories, you're going to want to click on e-business and marketing category. You'll see it in the list, okay? Click on that, and then you want to come down to where it says paid surveys right here. You see that? Click on paid surveys. And we're going to use one particular survey thing right here. This is paid surveys you're going to offer to people. Okay, so we're going to take this one right here. Take surveys for cash. #1 paid survey site on Clickbank. Okay, and then they have an affiliate link too. And what you're going to come here on this one, you can make $33.93 per sale. Okay, so we're going to use this right here, and this is the you can click on the affiliates link here and get your affiliate tools. They have all kinds of affiliate tools. What we're going to be doing is using email today, and they have lots of email swipes here that you can use, but I'm going to show you a email that I wrote up myself. I think is a little bit better than these right here. You can use these, or you can write one yourself if you're good at writing copy, okay? But I'm going to use one that I wrote myself, which I'll show you guys. Alright, so anyways, this is what we're going to promote. And we're going to go to promote this, we're going to go over to Craigslist. Alright, so you come to Google, and I typed in Craigslist up here, and you see it says Craigslist site. Now, why would we use Craigslist? Okay, well, I'm going to show you. There's a reason why. This is Craigslist right here. I've loaded up New York City Craigslist, but if I come up here and I click on this extension, it's similar web extension. You can get this extension for free and get it onto your Chrome browser. And then it'll tell you the amount of traffic to any website in the world, including your own websites. And here's the reason why we're using Clickbank or Craigslist, because they've got 422 million monthly visits to their site. That's every month, folks. That's a teetotaling ton of traffic right there. Okay, that's all free traffic for you that's accessible through Craigslist. Alright, so like I said, this is a totally free method because it can be done anywhere in the world. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do is we're going to choose New York City. You can choose any large city, any New York. I'm just using New York as an example. I mean, you can choose Chicago, Los Angeles, Dallas, Miami. I mean, just any large city where there's large populations, right? So, for example, in here I would just type in New York and then press enter, and it loads up New York Craigslist right here. So if we click on that, it gives you a list. Of course, you know there's lots of cities in the state of New York, right? Well, we're going to choose New York City because that's where the largest conglomeration of people live at. I think there's, what, 10 million people live in New York City. That's just an incredible amount of folks, right? So we'll click on that and use that. Now, you come here to Craigslist. Now, the thing about Craigslist is you cannot promote any affiliate offers directly on Craigslist. That will get you banned. Do not do that. There's another way to do this, and I'm going to show you right now. What you're going to do is when you choose your city and you come to Craigslist, you're going to come down here where it says resumes at right here. Click on resumes. What this is this is people that are posting, who are looking for jobs, right? They're looking to make money because they need extra money or so on and so forth. So if you scroll down through the list, these are all done, today's date's the 13th, so most of these were posted today. So you look down in the list and you look for somebody that needs work. And as you can see, there's different down here, people, front desk customer service, here's a person who says, I need some money for my surgery. What you're doing is we're going to be providing value to these people who are looking for work. Okay, and that's what our affiliate offer from Clickbank, it does. It gives them an opportunity to work from home and make extra money. In fact, pretty good extra money, really. Okay, so you can click on, for example, this. Now, I'm going to click on this one right here. It says a young girl new to town looking for job. Right, so if we click on that, it comes up and it shows you her. She's got a picture here, a couple pictures of herself. And she says, hey, I'm a young 20-year-old girl who just moved to New York. I started college here, an English major, so I needed some extra money. My name is Cassie. I'm in search of cleaning jobs or maybe babysitting or dog walking. I'm easygoing, funny, charismatic, also a hard worker with lots of drive. And then she says, here, email me all your offers. Thank you. Now you have to look at some of these because it'll say, they may have in there too, do not send me any affiliate offers. Those are the ones you don't want to send affiliate offers to. It just, if it doesn't say don't send affiliate offers, then you're good to go. Okay? All right, now, so what you do, when you find something like this through your list, you just look down through them and find people that are looking for work, looking for jobs, or looking for a way to make extra money, those types of things, and then you load it up their posting, and then you click on reply. Right? Now that's going to open this up here, and you want to come down. You can either click on this link, and it'll open it up in your email program if you have one, or you can use your Gmail account, your Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Outlook, Live Mail, or AOL Mail. All right, or you can copy and paste this into your own email program, just like up here. But for example, here we're going to use Gmail. So if I click on Gmail, it's going to open up my Gmail account with the email already loaded up, as you see right here, young girl new to town looking for work. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to send an email. Now, folks, guys, this is a thing that you're doing here requires a lot. In other words, the more you post, the more chances you get of getting sales on your affiliate offer with Clickbank, right? So this is a numbers game. So you can post as many as you want in as many cities and towns as you want all over the United States. So the more you post, the more money or the more chance you have of making a lot of money with your Clickbank affiliate offer. All right? So now what you do here is you want to send an email. You're not going to send your affiliate link first. You're going to send an email to them and give them the offer to see if they're interested. Now, here's the email I told you earlier, the email that I wrote. If you want, you can pause this video and write down everything that you see here. I said, hello there. I said, it's Kevin here, and I saw your job post at Craigslist. We are looking for people to work from home taking surveys. Easy to do tasks. Get paid for each task you complete, and you can work from anywhere doing this. This is not a scam or anything like that. This is working with reputed companies like Coca-Cola, Toyota, Pepsi, etc. And then it says big companies around the world need people just like you to voice their opinions about their product, and they're willing to pay you for your time. The requirements are 15 to 30 minutes per day to do simple tasks and an internet connection. And it says we only have a few spots left. I put that in there because that gives a sense of scarcity. In other words, they don't want to miss this kind of thing. That's always a good thing to do in your advertising. Put in a sense of scarcity to them. All right, and then I said down here, if you're interested, send me an email ASAP if you're interested. And then put your email address down here. You see my Gmail, and then I just said thanks. Okay, so what we'll do is we will copy this message, word for word, copy it, and then just simply paste it right in here into our mail to this person. Okay? Then all you have to do, I'm going to go ahead and sort of make this text a little bit larger here. I think if I can just highlight it and then come down here for text size and just go like large, a little bit larger text. Okay? And then I'll bold this up right here. Put this in bold. There you go. Alright, so, and then all you do at that point, guys, is you just click on send down here at the bottom. It says your message has been sent from Gmail. Okay? And then all you do is you just wait for the people to respond to your email, telling you that they're interested in what you have to offer. Alright? And then once they're interested and they tell you in an email that they're interested in what you have to offer, then you're going to come back and you're going to click your promote down here for our take surveys for cash. Click promote. You're going to get your hop link. You can put a tracking ID in here if you want. Make sure your ID, your Clickbank ID is in here, right? And then click generate the hop link. You're going to get your link. Then what you're going to do is take this link over to bit.ly.com, bitly.com, and make it shorter, a little bit easier to read rather than this ugly long Clickbank affiliate link here. All right. So then when you're gonna, once they email you back and show their interest and they ask you for information, then you would take this link that you've changed into a bit.ly link and made it look better, and it's a smaller link anyway, and then you would just simply send them an email back with that link in it, telling them, like, you know, tell them something like, thanks for your interest, here is the information, and then tell them click this link right here, and they put your affiliate link in there under the bit.ly shorter link, right? And then when they click on that, that's going to bring them straight over here to the sales page. Alright, and then it's just a matter of them reading this sales page here and then coming down, and once they read the sales page, then they'll just put in their email address and their first name and email and click get started, and if they buy, then you make money at $33.93 a pop. You see that? Folks, guys, that's the method right there that I wanted to show you today. If you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you would, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button so you get notified. And also, don't forget to click down there where you see it says mentorwithkev.com if you want to see my #1 affiliate marketing business where you can make high ticket commissions. Okay? Well, that's what I had for you today, guys. I wanted to show you this method right here. I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to comment down there if you have any questions in the comment section. And I'm going to let you go, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. Alrighty, guys. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.